M0FXB Digital Ham Radio Diary. Welcome. FXB, got one of my sort of bags here that I use. I just put lots of connectors in. I thought I'd just show you what I've got. I've got the FT3D in the background, but anyway. So if we open it up, we'll just have a little look at what I've got here. So up here we've got, this comes in handy, USB to micro USB. That's handy. We've got another micro USB to Type C USB. And we've got all these selection of antennas here. Pretty much use them with my Baofengs, but this is a very popular one. This Nagoya 701. I think a lot of people use these with Anytone 878s. Got a Baofeng one here. There's another one there. What is that one? Can I even see the make? I think it came off a Baofeng. 2m70 antenna. Then I got a patch lead, usual patch lead, and again 70cm Baofeng antenna. And we've got all these connectors here. I'll show you them one at a time. So N-type to SO239. Look at that, goes to SMA. I think, does that come apart here as well? Yeah, I think it does. So look, N-type to SMA. Then we've got that connected too. So these are all different things that come in handy when you need them. 239 again, SMA. Female PL259 to male. And then there's another handy one, BNC. I think I bought a lot of these. I bought them in a bag with lots in. I was just a PL259 with the smaller RG58 cable. Yeah, another one in there. Quite fiddly, get my fingers in there. There you go. And here, I use this on my ID51 for the OPC 2350 cable. Comes in handy. That's what that's for. Another Baofeng type antenna. This is a power cable from my ICOM 705 that I bought for about £4. I haven't used it because there's no fuses on it. I was going to add some fuses on it. So that's a DC cable. And then we've got the 239 again to SMA. So you can see that's something I do quite often. There, a little stand that fits onto a tripod. This is a cute little stand, comes in handy for all sorts. And then lots more. This is a Bluetooth button. So if you've got a Bluetooth and you want to transmit, you can use. It's actually made for taking photographs on your phone, but it works on some devices. And then look, you've got the same of more really. Now this is a very handy one. All these elbows, they come in very handy. Then we've got, yeah, you've seen all these already. I've never used this one. I'm not very good with N-type connectors. The idea is that the coax goes in there for N-type, but I've never done it. There's one there, sort of crimped type connector. So there's one with the female to female. So that's it really. BNC, again, little SMA. So I think there's, see these come in handy. You've got one where you can actually screw onto this section If you've got something like this, you can screw it on there like so. You see, connect your antenna here, and here. That allows certain connections. So I keep it all in a bag, and it's just handy, and you'd be surprised how often I go to this bag. 7.3, all the best.